Welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through the key features of the SuiteCRM Multi-Sender Bulk Campaign Manager and demonstrate how to configure and run campaigns efficiently. This powerful extension is designed to simplify high-volume email campaigns in SuiteCRM by allowing multi-sender setups, effective target management, and optimized deliverability, all within a single dashboard. Let's go through its key features. First, multiple sender activation. Easily configure more than one sender, S1, S2, S3, for a single campaign. The tool lets you rotate emails between senders with just a few clicks, ensuring campaigns run smoothly without overloading a single email account. Second, support for multiple domain. This extension supports multiple email providers including Outlook, Gmail, and Twilio SendGrid. Campaigns can use different domains, improving deliverability and ensuring emails reach your recipients reliably. Third, suppression lists. Prevent sending duplicate emails to the same contact. Suppression lists ensure recipients only receive relevant communications without spamming, protecting senders' reputation. 4. Target list management. Create and manage separate target lists for exclusion, sending, or suppression. This helps marketers effectively segment campaigns and tailor communications to specific audiences. 5. Chronological sender rotation. Define the exact order in which multiple senders are used. Chronological sender rotation ensures balanced email distribution, optimized deliverability, and reduced risk of triggering spam filters. Now, let's see how the extension works in real time. First of all, make sure that your extension is installed. Go to Module Loader, and you will see the extension listed. Go to More and click on Outbound, Outer, Junk Emails. We have already created 4 records in this module. Let us create one record. Click on Create Outbound Emails to enter the edit view. Enter your From name. In Assigned to, enter your assignee. Enter your email address. Enter your email app password. Provide the SMTP server protocol. Fill this field with Mail Server Protocol. If you want, you can also provide your reply to details, including reply to name and reply to address. Using the same, you can create other records. We have created 4 records in this module by these names. These are their email addresses. As you can see, we have also created a record with a reply to email address. All these records are IMAP configured as well. Next, go to View Accounts. Currently, there are no records here. Now, let us open the contacts list. It shows the list of the following records. These are the contacts which we will be working with. Now, let us create the target list. Go to the Target List module. Currently, there are no target lists. Next, click on Create Target List. Give any name to your target list. From the drop-down menu, you can select any type of target list you want. Let us select Default. Click on Save. The target list is now created, but there are no entries. Let us link some records. Select the records that you want to link to. We are selecting all in this instance for the demonstration. Click on Link. You will see the message, Relationship linked successfully. You will see all your selected contacts listed under the Relationship section of the target list. Next, refresh the page. There are now a total of 8 entries in the target list. Let us go to the Campaign module now. Click on More and then choose Campaigns in the drop-down menu. Select Create Campaign in Campaigns module. These are all the types of campaigns you can create with SuiteCRM. For demonstration purposes, we will explain it with email type. So, select Email. We will start with the Campaign Header section. Give a name to your campaign. Mark status as active. Give some descriptions of the campaign. Click on Next. In the next section, you must select your target list. The number of targets shows the number of clients that you are targeting in this campaign. Click on Next. Select the option you prefer with respect to email templates. If you want to go with an existing template, choose Select an existing template. Choose your template name. Click on Save and then select Next. In the Marketing section, provide your marketing email name and bounce handling account. Configure your campaign schedule by providing data and time. Select Add Outbound Emails. Here, you can select your senders and the order of senders. We have selected these 3, and the status is active. Press Save Selection, and you will see a confirmation message on your screen informing you that you have activated 3 outbound email settings. Click on OK. You will see your sender emails precisely in the order you have selected them. Click on Next. This is the last section of your email campaign generation, where you can see the complete overview of your campaign. In the campaign checklist, all the metrics must be ticked. Click on Send Mail at Scheduled Time. Click on the option View Status. Select Message Queue. The campaigns are now scheduled for all the clients in the target list for the chosen time period. Once the emails are scheduled, refresh the page. Go to View Status. You will see a map with all the metrics regarding your email campaign and deliverability. Currently, there are no messages in the queue. It means that all emails have been delivered. As you can see, the message has been delivered to all the clients. You must also notice that clients have received emails from multiple senders. In Viewed Message, you will see a list of your clients who have viewed your message. In Click-Through Link, there are no results to show because none of the clients have clicked on the backlinks given on the email. In Bounced Messages as well, there are no results, which suggests that all emails have successfully reached the client. In Opted Out, you will see a list of clients who have opted out of your campaign. We are performing one more campaign to demonstrate Suppression feature. To do that, we are creating a new record with the same email ID which has been provided in the old record. Now, create a different target list, including the 2 records with same email ID. As you can see, we have 2 records with the same email ID. Go to Actions and then select Link. Now let's create a new campaign with the steps already described before. After creating the campaign, click on Send Mail at Scheduled Time. Go to View Status and see that the suppressed emails are highlighted in this map. As you can see, there are total 9 emails that are suppressed. That is, 9 clients have not received our email. This means that 4 are same emails and 5 are invalid emails. And that's it! With multi-sender activation, multiple domain support, suppression lists, target list management, and chronological sender rotation, this extension makes SuiteCRM campaigns automated, efficient, and highly reliable. Thanks for watching. Explore more SuiteCRM extensions to optimize your marketing and CRM workflow.